Hi. Hola, buenas tardes, ¿cómo están? Ok, hoy vamos a ver how to open a file. Primero, haz clic en el documento. Después, pasas por aquí. Si no aparece nada, entonces vas a los 3 puntos y haces clic izquierdo. Después, presione Open in New Window. Ahora voy a poner Open With. Yo puedo poner Google Docs. Okay. Ahora tengo el documento. Sometimes you might have a tab here that says Request Access. In this case, I don't need access to it because I have access to it because I created it. So you will click here. File. Make a copy. Or download. You can choose either one. In this case, we're going to make a copy. And that's the name, copy of. So I can either rename it or keep it the same. And then press OK. So once the document opens up, I'll have a copy of it and I can work on it as well.